Hi, here is the Konica MGD overall conditions. Here's the battery compartment using 2 AA battery. And just lock it. Okay. Then after that, by pulling this button to open the back cover. Inside of that, this. And here is the film compartment. So we just put the film slide in at here. Slide from the top to the bottom to make sure that the motor have into the center point. Then put the film tip to here. Make sure your film is flat, and we just close it, and it will auto load. When here show figure 1, which means that we have loaded the film successfully. So next thing is to on it, and by changing here to the ISO of our film is, just now I'm using 100 ISO, so now I'm using 100 ISO. Here is the viewfinder. When you look into the viewfinder, you'll find out at the center point here, got a bracket. So you just use that bracket to aim to the object that you want to focus and half press. When it green light up like this, means that it's okay. But you see, inside got the red light, means that you need to open the flash. Okay, so open the flash for a while. Some people might need to wait for this, but sometimes I just wait for like a few seconds, then I just shoot it. So it's like half press, shoot it. So every time you want to shoot, you just like use the center point to aim, half press it like that. If it doesn't have the red light, then you no need to trigger the flash. Yeah, at the top there, got the red light. Okay, next thing is the self timer. After I click it, the self timer, I need to press the shutter together, if I'm not wrong. Press it, then only here will light up, start blinking. It took around 10 seconds like that for it to shoot. When it's almost there, it will like blink faster. Like that. Okay, so actually overall it's just like this, and when you shoot finish, press the button at the below here to rewind it. Hold it and stop. Wait for it. Actually, this sound is considered finished. So normally, we just press this button to stop. But if you're scared, then maybe you can wait for a while first. Then only you press this button to stop it and take out your film to develop. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoy.